Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. We are going to be doing the weekly check-in. Now this is week 2 of September and that will run from the 5th through the 11th. Now before we get started, I am using the 8.5 by 11 Erin Condren planner. Absolutely love it. If you would like your own planner, link is down below. Also, the stickers that I will be using is Simply Cami. Her information is down below. Also, she is a super awesome friend, and I absolutely love her. Go check out her channel, her shop, and ask her anything you want because she's really, really nice. Also, this video is going up really late. It's going up on Saturday instead of Thursday. I have been crazy busy at work, like super crazy. I've been on call, I've been called in, I've been working 12-hour shifts, and I just have not had the time to do this check-in. So it's better late than never, as I always say. Also, when you are filming this, this is the last thing I'm going to announce, and I'm super happy. I reached 1,000 subscribers, and it is all thanks to you guys. I absolutely love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for watching my videos. And just thank you for just getting to know me and following me on this journey. And there will be a giveaway coming soon. I really have to go and order it first. And then I will do a whole video on the giveaway. I'm just so incredibly blessed. Thank y'all so much. I can't thank y'all enough. And I hope and pray that y'all continue to watch my journey and watch my videos and everything. But let's just get started before this video goes really, really long. All right, I have my little cheat little card that Cami sent me, and I just written out all the stickers and everything like that. So that is this. Let's go with Thursday on the 5th. Now, yes, I did pay my light bill. But also on the 5th, we had a no spin. So we're going to put a no spin right there. The 6th was a payday, and I said I wasn't going to go out to eat, but I haven't seen my friend in a long, long time. So it's been a couple of months. So we decided to go out to eat, and I used my $10 to eat sushi because I only budgeted $10, and I used it for sushi, and that was the best $10 I've had because I have not had sushi in forever. Absolutely love sushi. Let me know down below if you love sushi and what's your favorite roll, because my roll is a Philadelphia roll. All right, fun money. Also that day, my friend and I, we decided just to go and get our ears done. So we went to a tattoo parlor, and I got the dates. Well, we both got the dates, if I'm saying it right, piercing. And that is actually supposed to reduce headaches and migraines. I absolutely have a horrible, horrible migraines. I'm on medication and everything. If you have watched a couple of the videos that I have said that we went and got our ears done. So I tipped, and that was $20 that we tipped. Our ears was about $45 a piece, so she paid $95 for us, and I just tipped him a $20, which he did great because he's really well known around here, and he always does a good job. All right, the 7th is always our bigger spend day, so we did go and get gas, which was $20. I had to fill up. I was really running on E. All right, groceries. We went to Walmart as always because they have the lowest prices around here. I really want a Aldi because they have cheaper prices, and I absolutely think it's so cool. I watch so many videos of Aldi haul, or they actually film in Aldi, which is pretty cool too. So I'm super excited. We need to get an Aldi. Alright, so then I got my brother a gift. I used my sinking funds. I used the gift sinking fund. Bought my friend a shirt. It is a merch shirt that my brother watches on YouTube. And he just wanted a t-shirt, so I got him one of those. And that was $15. So that was everything that I spent in that envelope. That was all the money I had. All right, and then medical. I had to, well, if you've seen my grocery haul, I got this like saline wound wash, and it's for my ear, just to clean it out and make sure it's not getting infected or anything like that. So that is another medical that is in sinking funds, and that was $5. Now, I'm not going to show you how much I have in my cash envelope because I'm filming this on a Friday, and I think I already spent money on Friday. So I have to look back at my receipts and stuff, but for sure I think I already spent money. So I'm not going to do that and mess up, like confuse myself or confuse y'all. Alright, so for Sunday, we went walking and everything like that. But I also used my cushion fund. And I got a car wash. I haven't washed my car in forever. Well, I've hand washed it, but I haven't like taken it to like get a good scrub and everything. So I thought it was a good day to do it. It was Sunday. We just got back from walking 2 miles and everything. So I thought that was needed. All right, the 9th and the 10th, we had a no spend days for those. Super excited. And that was everything for the 8th, if I did not say that. All right, and then last but not least, on the 11th, we did some grocery shopping and picked up some food from Walmart again. And that was for dinner because I actually came home pretty late because I was on call, so I didn't leave. And I was supposed to get off at 3, but I was on call, so I didn't get off until what day or what time? 5:30. Supposed to get off at 3. I didn't get off until 5:30. So, and that was $11. All right, you guys. So that is all for that. Let me just zoom y'all out and show y'all. So we had 3 no spend days. We had a couple of spend days on Friday, Saturday, Sundays, and Wednesday. Usually those are the days I usually do go shopping, mostly on Saturday. I did do a lot more sinking funds, so I have 2 sinking funds, which I usually don't do 2 sinking funds in the same week, which is crazy. All right, so we are going to do the check-in. Oh, so it's actually week 1. I did say it was week 2, probably because the last one that we did had half of the first beginning of August. So, you know, disregard that. It's actually week 1. All right, so for groceries, we did $41. All right, so where's my calculator? Let's get to doing. So that was $100. So 100 minus 41. $41 spent, and we have $59 left. Gas, we only spent $20, so we have $40 left. Out to eat, we did use that $10 for the best sushi ever. Fun money. We did the $20 for the piercing. So that was $60. So now we have $40. Oh, $20. So we have $40 left. Cushion, which is my debit card, and we got the car wash, so we had $68 minus 11, so that was $57 that we have left to spend. All right, sinking funds, we have a total of, let's see, we have a total of $667. Sounds right. $667. We actually spent for the shirt and for the saline wash. So that was $15 and $5, so that was $20. So we have $647 left because we used $20 out of that. All right, you guys, so the balances are as followed for the following week. Is groceries, I spent $41, I have $59 left. Gas, I spent $20, have $40 left. Out to eat, I spent $10 and I have $0. Fun money, I spent $20 and I have $40 left. Cushion, which is my debit card, I have spent $11 and I have a balance of $57. Sinking funds, I spent $20 and I have a balance of $647. All right, you guys, so that is my weekly check-in. This is week 1 of September. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if y'all do weekly check-ins, because I am more than willing to go and check y'all's channels out, go and say hi, get to know y'all, give y'all advice. We can just chit chat and be best friends, like, for real. I love getting to know new people, and I love supporting new and upcoming YouTubers as well. Also, if YouTubers that have been in the game forever has like a lot of subscribers, I am more than willing to go and check y'all's video out also. But thank y'all so much from the bottom of my heart again for making me, or letting me, reach my 1,000 goals. I am truly thankful for you guys, and there is a lot of video and content coming soon, so I hope y'all will stick around. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.